Open a new tab. Now search for em.bjedu.tech. Click on the link. Change the language to English. Click on Create New Mail. Now select em.bjedu.me domain. Pick a username. Create new Gmail and save the passkey safely. Now open the link. Go to ChatGPT.com. Click Sign up for free. Enter the email you just created. Pick a new password and click Continue. Now you enter the code you just received in your new email. Refresh if not arrived. Copy the code and paste it. Set your name and date of birth. Now you have successfully opened a new ChatGPT account with free 1-year subscription. Skip the tour and start using free ChatGPT Pro. This 5.2 model doesn't appear for free user and especially made for premium users. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you gained something from this video.